All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get a login created, and this is going to be linked to your email address that you have on file here. That's going to be your username. So I'll just use an example here. And what you're going to do is once you put that in there, you're going to put log in, and then that's going to prompt you to create a password. All right, now once you've created a password, you'll see that your company name and then your ship to address will come up here, and then you'll see that's a very simple basic portal. You have your orders, your change your password and log out. So you can go into orders here, and we're just going to do an example. So we'll go to new order, and this first field here, and you can, if you're going to ship it to yourself, a stock order, you just normally send it to your store for an install. You can load your shipping address, or if you're doing a drop ship, then you can just obviously put that information in here. You'll see that you'll have a place here for delivery instructions, like if you have a particular carrier that you want to use, RNL, or if it's a drop ship, you can note that it's a drop ship here as well. And then of course up here you'll have a PO number that you can enter in for the order. Now down here, this is where you enter the part number. Now if you already know what the part number is, or a kit number, it will recognize both. It'll recognize BDS, Zone, JKS, Fox, all of the sport truck brands here. So for example, like a dual stabilizer bracket, punch in the part number, you got your quantity, this is your price, and really what you can do here is start building a quote. It doesn't become a live order until you send the order right here. Another cool feature here is once you get to this point, you'll see this tab for BDS suspension, Zone off-road. These are quick links right to the website. So for example, if you were looking for a half-ton Chevy, I'll go 14 to 18 without mag ride, the 710H customized kit, obviously walk through and you're picking out your selections here. But once you get done, you can add this to your cart. And then over here on the right, it'll show transfer cart to order system. So the order system is what we just created a login to. Go ahead and click that. And as you see, it reverts back here and it adds that configuration, that kit that you built right into the cart. So it's very cool. And again, it's right now you're just quoting. You can add, you can remove these products, and you can save it. And then once it's saved, you can go back and then it'll be a saved in option order here. And these will stay here until you delete it or you ship it. And once you select, transfer it to an order after it's shipped, you'll see your order history throughout here. And obviously here's some tracking information. It'll show the carrier. Once it has the tracking information, you can actually click on this and it will take you and track the shipment right for you. So you can go back into this order. So we just select it. So back in this order, and again, you can modify it. So this is, again, a good way to build quotes and or stock orders until you get ready to submit them. And then obviously once you submit them, send the order, and then this will populate in our system, and then you'll get an order acknowledgement. And then obviously your rep will see that order to process for you. Then we'll just show you another example here. Load, and we'll do a quick link here to the Zone Off-Road website. And actually it'll sometimes prompt you that you have to save whatever new order that you're in. You'll have to save this in order for you to go to this link here. But again, we'll just say, a C26, for example, view product. Of course, you got to go to the important notes, select which control arm setup you have. Box Adventure shocks, rear add leaf, front skid plate, add to cart. So again, over here you'll see transfer cart to order system. To do that, boom, that kit pops up here and it's populated, it generates. Again, this is all your cost. And again, it's a quote until you actually send the order. And again, you can save it and modify the order. And there it is. So again, once you place the order, and once the order actually ships, then you'll see the tracking information in the carrier. So that's it, pretty simple. Again, creating a login, you go here to the user ID, put in your email address, and then click login. From there, it'll prompt you to do a password. And again, you can change that password at any point in time. And then once logged in, again, if you know the part numbers, just enter them in there. You do have to use the 3-digit prefix for each product line, so FOX for Fox, BDS for BDS, ZON for Zone, and so on. So if you have your part numbers, that's good. You can throw them right in there. Or again, there is the links to the websites where you can build and go through the kit editors and get the product you want, and then transfer it right directly into the cart, into the order system. So pretty cool, pretty simple. And really what it is there to do, again, just to build a seamless transition from the counter, the quote, to actually placing the order, and that way it's accurate and efficient for the counterman and the customer. So that's the B2B system. Again, short and sweet, simple login portal, but it allows you to quickly and efficiently place an order, quote an order, place an order, track your order. And again, just another tool that we have here that's extremely nice, and hopefully you guys take advantage of it. Thanks, guys.